म्यूट करते जाओ। दर्शक राम लखन है, क्या है? Hi everybody, I hope you are able to hear me. This is Dr. Gitanjali on day 2 of meditation, and I hope everyone is fine, doing well. I hope yesterday's meditation was good. People had a sound sleep and are more geared towards abundance. Today we'll talk about relationships. As I told you, the relationship can be with a part of you, your inner child. It can be with money. It can be with people. It can be with the person you like, your mother, your sister, your husband, your son, your mother-in-law, your boss. Okay. So you're not able to hear me? Ruchika, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Because just now Gitika, okay, thank you so much. Because Gitika said that she can't hear me. So, okay, so yes, people are able to hear me. So now I want you to write on a piece of paper with whom do you want the relationship to change, shift, which this meditation we will do today to change that relationship that you want, the desired change to bring into that relationship. You can write it down. If you have the person in mind, then well and good. You can have a relationship called with your brother, your sister, your mother, your neighbor, your boss, your friend, your husband, your son, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, whoever you wish to have a good relationship with, you can definitely improve this relationship during this meditation. Allow yourself to sit in any position that you like. And gently close your eyes and relax. Feel the texture, the smell, and relax your body. Listen to the sounds which are around you. And now release any tension that you feel in your body. Slowly bring your attention to your breath. Just the natural breath and be in the present moment. Feel your breathing, breathing in and out, in and out. Feel your heart. Feel the sensations in your hands, palms, your leg muscles, the bottom of your feet. Now slowly bring your attention to your feet and feel it resting on the ground. Feel its connection with Mother Earth. Feel the energy of your body merging with Mother Earth as the central unified entity. It is a living body just like you, with infinity cells working together as a whole. Now you see yourself as a cell in this enormous body of the planet. You are held safely and lovingly. Within Mother Earth. Feel this energy rush go through your entire body. Bring your attention to the top of your head and feel this connection through your head, face, down your neck and your spine. Now slowly feel the room that you are in. Visualize the whole room and try touching the walls of the room with your awareness. You are now taking the space of this whole room. Allow your body, your consciousness, your energy to expand. Feel yourself expanding. To allow your consciousness, your energy to embrace this entire room that you are in. Now imagine your consciousness spreading to your entire building. Slowly spread this consciousness, this awareness around yourself to the city that you live in. You are part of this beautiful city. Allow your consciousness, your energy to expand and embrace the entire country that you belong to. Root yourself deep down. Feel this awareness spreading to the entire continent, the world. And now let this consciousness go up higher and higher when you are wanting to become part of the solar system, the Milky Way galaxy. Each and every planet is within you and a part of you. Allow your consciousness to embrace the solar system, Saturn, Jupiter, Mercury, Uranus, Pluto, Mars, Venus, the sun, the radiating sun, giving life force energy. Feel the energy, you becoming part of the energy of the entire solar system. The stars, fill up the space, feel your consciousness expand to the entire planet. We are so aware in this very moment, being a part, that we can sit in our homes and yet be the part of the building, the city. Now with this power, imagine your life. Imagine your life and picture the kind of relationship that you want to have in your life. Invite that person into this room. And very soon the astral body of the person that you desire to have a relationship will walk into the room. It can be anyone. Your husband, your mother-in-law, your son, your daughter, your father-in-law, your sister-in-law, your boss, your friend, your soulmate. Anyone whom you know or have known. Ask them if they are ready to give the kind of support you desire. Invite and ask them for the support. And this support you can also ask from God, the creator of all that is. All these people are contributing to your life. They are supporting you. They want you to do your best. Ask the universe to give you the immunity to get the immunity. Take the blessings from your mother and your father. They are the right source of immunity. And they in turn can get the blessings from their ancestors. Feel, imagine, or visualize the person who is there in front of you. Maybe a one person or a group of people supporting you, guiding you, wanting your best. And when you are receiving that connection from the people, see where do you feel this connect in your body, and touch your body. Touch that part of your body where you feel this connection. If you have any issues with them, invite them in this space. And pour your heart out to them. Say whatever you want to talk. If you feel that you have done wrong to them, then ask for their forgiveness. Ask them to be kind to you. Any negative energy between both of you, and if they have done anything wrong, let it all go. Just feel that it was part of your journey and they helped you, they taught you, something. Thank them for the lessons that you learned with them. And take your time. For the next 2 minutes, you will not be listening to my voice. And the absence of my voice will help you to communicate with your loved ones. Thank them for coming to you. Feel your hands. Take their hands in your hands. Feel this beautiful white light energy flowing through both the hands. Thank them to come to you, to talk to you. Feel both of you enveloped in this beautiful bubble of light. Feel this connection at your heart level. When you feel it's enough, you can ask them, you can ask the astral body of that person or persons who are there in the room to leave. Ask them to go with love and kindness and gratitude. Gratitude because they came and they were with you. Whatever you have solved with this person is with you now. And all that you have visualized will become your reality and come in your life soon. With this awareness and belief, start feeling your body once again. Become aware of your legs. Become aware of your hands. Slowly move your fingers and toes a little bit. Bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your breath moving in and out. Breathe in and out. Once you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. If you have any kind of questions, you can let me know. I will be able, you can chat. You can open the chat box and ask me the questions. Or maybe you can put it in the WhatsApp group that we have created and I can. Yes, so I'm ready to answer the questions, but I do not have the questions with me. So can somebody please post? So if you're not able to visualize, there are some people who are unable to visualize. So for them, because they are very, very intellectual, their logical brain is working, the logical brain is functioning a lot, they need to imagine. So if I'm using the words visualize and you're not able to visualize a bright white light, or you're not able to visualize energy coming in, you can't visualize your hands surrounded by energy, I would advise you to just imagine it. At that point of time also, you will be able to do the required thing. And okay, so when you felt that you had gone asleep, basically what happened is you very quickly went into from the beta level to an alpha or theta level, the level that we have in our sleep cycle. It's okay. The meditation is used to clear your critical filter. So definitely, even if you are asleep, your conscious mind sleeps, your subconscious mind is awake. So whatever I'm talking is going to your subconscious mind and you are making the required protocol. You are following whatever I'm saying. So it's perfectly fine. Doesn't matter if you go to sleep, even if you're asleep for the entire meditation, it's perfectly fine. Your critical filter will get unclogged and you will be able to feel more relaxed, and you can also manifest everything. Whatever we are saying, a relationship or wealth, whatever you want in life. Any other questions if anybody has? Otherwise, we can log off and meet tomorrow at 9 o'clock for the same. I'm more aware of my surroundings than in the meditation. Yes, very good, Ananya. You are very aware. So that is known as a light trance. A person is much more aware of the surroundings. He's still unable to get into that deep trance level. In fact, meditation is a kind of a trance, and you become in fact more aware. So because you are becoming and trying to go into the journey within, the consciousness within, you become more aware. And because you become more aware, you hear a lot of sounds. In fact, it is known as a very deep altered state. You are experiencing that. And so a deep altered state of awareness. So I have seen that people who go into meditation or hypnosis, they can even hear sounds which are there on the road, which in the normal practice you would not be able to. Your awareness, all your five senses are heightened. In fact, it is much more awareness. And it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly right. Any other questions? With life trance, can we be benefited? Yes. Any amount of trance will benefit you. Regressions also happen in light trance, so it does not matter. Over a period of time, you will gradually see that you will keep on going into a much more deeper trance. And the moment you close your eyes and you start imagining, you are in a trance-like state. So whether light trance, medium trance, somnambulistic trance, all the trance are good, and you can definitely benefit from there. Some people find it difficult to relax. That's the reason they go into a light trance. The external sounds don't affect any meditation. They are perfectly normal. It's perfectly right to experience that. And you will still experience the benefits of meditation, even though you go very deep. Jasminder Kaur said, I saw some person I was meditating. So Jasminder, you will have to invite that person once again and see. And check whichever the person is with the red, and you can see whether that person is you or someone else. Ananya, the first person that you need to help heal your relationship with, we'll do the same meditation tomorrow, and let's see gradually over the period of time if you are able to get a new thing. But most of this thing stems in from your mother. Maybe you can have 1 or 2 personal healing sessions with me, Ananya, and you will see a lot of benefit. Is there anybody else who has any questions, any queries? Okay, since I see that there is no query, we will end the meditation. Thank you so much for joining. I am very much grateful to all of you to join so that I can share my meditation with all of you. And I hope that you take advantage and benefit of this meditation, and you benefit from this in your life. Thank you so much. Thank you.